Hello, in today's video, I'll explain how to clean the main brush on ROBOROCK Saros Z70. In order to clean or replace the main brush, you'll need to flip your robot over and then you'll find the main brush, which is this big rotating brush right here, and you can open it by squeezing these two orange buttons together. You'll remove the cover and very likely the brush will fall out as well. And this is the brush. You can now clean it by simply rinsing it with water or using a brush on it to clean it even further. If there's any hair stuck to it, you can try to remove it, but also it's made in a way that should cut hair by itself, so there shouldn't be much hair stuck to it. Now, in order to put it back in, you'll find this square part on one of the sides, and you can put it into the square hole right here. Once it goes in, the other part should also go in, and then you will be able to lock the cover. First, insert this part with the notches towards the front of the robot. Then towards the back of the robot, you should click the part with the buttons, and now once it clicks, it should be all on, and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.